So we forgot to do an intro. What did we do today?
We went to the Bannerman Castle.
Yes, well that's where we're going to be going to in this video.
Yes.
Because we forgot to do a
intro
while we were there.
It was very cool.
Yes. Well, they'll find out. This is an intro, not the outro.
Well, I'm just kind of giving them a preview that it was a very cool experience, so you definitely want to watch this video.
Alright, so enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah, bye.
I don't know, because they're supposed to have these selections and stuff like that, and that's why the other ones I said was like...
So we have no lost and found on the boat, we just have lost. Saves a lot of paperwork, so we don't have to worry about anything, you know? That's built and designed. The young lady that designed it was also helping to build it. They did have a slight rowing problem.
Looks fake, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it kind of looks like a castle, right? And we see a lot of Mr. Bannerman's Scottish. This is Carla. Hi, Carla.
They have receipts from a bunch of different nurseries in the area, and you only buy Kansas flowers.
Everyone's cool. Standing inside. Kind of cool. Those flowers we saw along the road.
Oh yeah.
Going to.
New Hampshire.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Oh wow.
When you stand up top and you look down, you can see the big. Ancient Michael Kors? No, ancient Greece. Yeah, that I can imagine. Okay.
It's like, yeah. Build this. I don't know how. Just do it. It's like you.
Yeah, pretty much I'm black.
I know, it's very sexy.
Just drew a picture, yeah.
That's so wild that it was like that.
That's what went kaboom.
Oh, this is where we just were.
Oh, the
so
pie?
see, it's
Yeah.
like pieces of pie.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Sit here and eat dinner. What'd you say? It is very heavy. No, that's a cool little fireplace too.
Flag of the men they were fighting, brought the flag, took the flag off, and handed it to them and said, "Your name is now Bannerman." And that's how they got their name. So what we're looking at, if you don't know the year. So again, this is just another space that kind of speaks for itself. If you know the area, we're looking at the Newburgh Beacon Bridge. To the left, where the kind of those reddish buildings is Mount St. Mary's, the college. To the right is Beacon, where you came from. Beyond that, we can't see it as walkway over the Hudson. If you've never done that, that's a really nice afternoon or morning. Done that, yeah. It's also dog friendly, which is nice. Bring your dog. Yeah. Have you done Mount St. Did you walk on Mount Beacon? Have you hiked that?
All right, so that was the experience there. It's funny how we're in the same location as we were when we started. We left Revere, went all the way to New York, and came back to Revere. So it was a fun experience. But so now you can say how it was. Did you enjoy it?
I did enjoy it.
There you go.
I already was impressed that I could hike what we hiked,
Yes.
being 5 months pregnant.
I would suggest if you do go, be aware there is about 72 stairs you gotta climb. Whoa. There's a lot of climbing.
Definitely
Up
wear
and down.
comfortable shoes. Sandals probably aren't the best
No.
thing. I did listen to my husband and I wore tennis shoes,
Yes.
which was a good thing.
Wear sneakers and bring water. They sell water there. It's
Yes.
like $2 a piece, but if you really want water while you're walking trails, bring water.
Yeah.
And
And if you go on a day like we went today,
yeah,
it was pretty hot. So wear something cool
there you go.
and comfortable
And relax and enjoy yourself.
and enjoy it. It's very
Fun.
cool.
It's
Lots
nice.
of history.
Well, 3 hours long altogether from the minute you get picking up to the minute you get dropped off. So plan accordingly. And then yeah, what do people got to do?
Follow us, like us, subscribe to us. That's what I
There you
always
go.
forget. Woo! Subscribe
There you go.
on that little button that's somewhere.
It is. If you're watching the video, it's right there.
Yeah.
There you go.
Click that button right there.
Bye.
Bye! Toodles!
The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.